We just said, like, dude, slow the fuck down, and then, like, 2 seconds later, fucking bam.
He's in the hospital right now?
I'm sorry?
Excuse me.
January 16th, 2023. Watch what happened when police investigate a DUI-related crash that resulted in 1 death and injuries to 2 children.
Delta Delta Kilo 5266, temporary tag on the BMW 750, and it's going to be up on the lawn at 402 North 38th Ave.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
did you see anything happen here?
I did.
What?
So me and my wife were in the truck in the left lane, driving this way. That car flew by us in the right lane. The silver car, sorry. Flew by us in the right lane. He was coming out of that road, and
This
boom.
truck was coming from that way?
Yes, sir. And
Yes.
I believe it happened so quick. I don't know if he was trying to turn or go straight across, but that car was flying by in this lane, and
Okay.
that was that.
So
And we
he-
literally saw this thing. Fucking,
Yeah.
yeah.
He came from that way, and
Yes,
that car
sir.
came from west. on
Yes, sir.
38.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you, sir?
Oh, yes, I do. We just said, like, dude, slow the fuck down, and then, like, 2 seconds later, fucking bam.
She was driving the car. That was the key, but she was driving.
I don't know who the hell was driving that one. I came straight to this guy because I see
Yeah.
him trap.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I talk with you real quick?
Wow, I can't believe this. I seen it on TV, but I'm all like jacked up, and then I saw this one. So I live right there in the corner. That's my friend Karen, boyfriend's basement.
Okay.
I was walking out the door to go to the laundromat.
Okay.
So
So your door's on
Yeah, well, one door
38th?
is
Okay.
on 38th, and the other one's on 41st.
Okay.
It's the house with the slate chimney.
Okay.
Okay.
But you walked out to the street?
Yeah, sideways. Like I parked by the alley.
Okay.
So I walk out. Thank you. See you later. Go to get my. I hear this noise. I go, what the fuck is that noise?
What type of noise did you
Like
hear?
a winding out, like an engine, like loud though. Like I thought a
Like
plane was
revving?
coming down. Yes. So I'm like, what the hell is that? So as I'm hearing this noise get closer, it went like a flash, but it was airborne. Like I never seen any shit like that. Just on TV.
So it was going which direction?
This way.
So it was going eastbound?
Yes.
How fast do you think?
I drive fast. You guys are gonna be this somebody can go over 100. Like I'm not. I would never be all
And you said they were airborne?
adrenaline down. Yes.
Like
That's what
it was not touching
I'm
the
like, is this
ground.
happening right now? No. And I don't know if he already flipped once and then was coming into the second one. I don't know. It was so
Okay.
fast going.
But you saw
With the noise.
that vehicle? That vehicle?
I thought it might have been that one because at first I was talking
Okay.
to the other officer.
What
and then
color
I
was
saw
it?
this one. It was, I think, silver.
Silver.
Because it was like.
Was it a truck, a car?
In the car.
A car, silver
Yeah.
car. So you heard like
It was
revving,
revving loud. I thought it was a
Right.
plane. I'm like, holy
and then so freaking is going eastbound.
Yes.
You
I
just
don't know my east
it
and
was
west way. He was coming from
this way.
49
Eastbound.
towards, yeah.
You didn't witness any of this, right? Or did you?
The only thing that I saw was the car landing in my yard and her, or I think it was a woman pulling a child out of this car. The car was on fire. I went to go find my fire extinguisher. The guy pulled my hose though. I forgot I had. Put out the car.
Yeah.
So, just to confirm, you could see who was in the car after the crash, right when the crash happened, right?
Yes.
And what she looked like?
She was a black woman, kind of tallish, I guess. I think she had long, reddish looking or braids or something. I didn't get a good look at her because I was more concentrated on the fire.
But you could see her in the car, right?
Yes.
And then
she got out of the car, yeah, because I heard rumbling, which I guess is the stone, and then I saw her. I opened the door, and all I heard her say was, "Get out of the car." I saw her get out of the car first, and then the other people.
All right, yeah, we just wanted to confirm that, you were able to see who was actually in the car after, right, when it happened. So.
Whether or not she was driving, I can't tell you that.
I would hope so, because there's a 5 and a 10-year-old that were in the car with her. So.
I do see both doors open. She could have gotten out of that car,
Yeah,
but
I mean, she possibly could have got out the passenger side. But I was
Yeah.
just wondering if you, by chance, knew which door she got out of.
don't. I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah, no worries. All right, that's all we needed.
All
Thanks
right.
again.
You speak English?
Yeah, a
A
little
little bit?
Yeah.
Are you Danae?
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, it was your father that was involved. Okay.
This is my dad.
It's your father, yes. Do you know where he was coming from or where he was headed to? Was he coming from the house?
Yeah. Eddie, Roy, ven acá si puedes un momento, man. Que yo estoy que no puedo. Give me a second.
I understand. No, take your time. Take your time. You're fine.
It's good or what?
It's not good.
She's not died, right?
He did not survive his injuries, sir.
She's not died?
He did not survive his injuries.
Where has it done, Peter?
No.
And where?
He's still here at the scene.
And here?
He's still here, yes.
What the fuck, man?
We're trying to get to the bottom of that. We're in the middle of doing the investigation. That's why everybody's out here right now.
Se murió, yo creo, bro. Aquí en la calle está aquí, man. ¿Qué dice él ahí, man? Can you repeat what you say, sir? He don't get it.
Deny. You're okay with me talking to him?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All we know right now is that Miguel was involved in a very serious accident. He did not survive his injuries from the crash.
He don't survive?
He did not survive. We're in the process of investigating it now to find out exactly what happened. So that's where we're at right now. The driver of the other vehicle involved, we have them. We know who they are. We're just in the process of trying to put together the pieces to figure out exactly what happened.
Very sorry, sir.
We were in the process of getting ready to try to track you guys down to notify you. We hate that you guys find out like this.
¿Qué dice el Eddie?
Que sí, brother, que fue tu papá y que no sobrevivió.
Venga, ¿y con qué chocó, man?
Ya tienen a las otras gente, los cogieron y todo eso.
Porque se fueron. Le chocaron y se van a fuga.
No. They were still here. They were still on scene. We have them. They're
They're at the hospital.
They're at the hospital. We have police with them. They're not going anywhere. We know who's responsible. We're just in the process of trying to figure out exactly what happened before we decide how to move forward with the investigation.
Pinga, hacer esto de pinga, men. Eso tiene que ser mentira. Eso tiene que ser mentira.
Sir. Sir.
¿Dónde está mi mamá? Yo quiero verlo.
Él está en el hospital, estamos en investigación para no empezar.
Pero vamos al hospital.
He's in the hospital right now?
I'm sorry?
Is he dead? Excuse me. Is he dead?
He did not.
Por favor, please, déjame verlo.
Eri, yo necesito verlo aunque sea, bro. Dile que yo necesito verlo, men.
Dile que necesito
Yo
verlo,
necesito
papi.
verlo, men. Yo necesito verlo aunque sea.
They're saying they need to see whoever it
I
is.
need to see it, please.
You cannot go up there right now.
No puede
Yeah,
entrar
please.
en la ley.
It's a potential crime scene, guys. So that's why we
Es
can't
una
let anybody go up there.
semana de crimen potencial, no dejan pasarla.
Vete a tu mami, corre.
No.
¿Dónde salió?
Y salió corriendo con Yami para allá.
Mi mamá, ¿dónde está?
What's up?
What time you supposed to go look? My dad.
What time are you supposed to go see him?
Yeah.
The medical examiner's office has already come out.
He's coming right now.
They've already come out to get him. They probably will call you sometime in the morning. Sometime in the morning.
Here on the where?
From up at the medical examiner's office in Pinellas County Sheriff's
Oh,
Office.
no here.
He's not here anymore, no. He's no longer here. They've already come.
No se puede hacer nada.
Ya no se puede hacer nada. Okay, thank you.
Very sorry, guys. Very sorry for your loss.
Okay, thank you. Got it? Thank you.
So I understand there was a crash, okay? So there's an officer on scene, Officer Estock. He's conducting the civil crash investigation, okay? So he'll provide you with a driver's exchange information in regards to the accident, full crash report. During his crash investigation, there were signs of impairment noted, okay? So that's why I'm here to make sure that you were good to drive at the time that you were driving, okay? So he's conducting the civil crash investigation. I'm conducting a criminal DUI investigation, okay? Did you have any alcohol to drink this evening? Wine, beer, mixed drinks?
Way earlier, like a margarita.
Margarita?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it like a traditional like margarita glass earlier?
Yeah.
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said
nothing too much.
okay. What time do you think that was at?
Probably around 1, 2.
One. Okay. And you said you had wine. What time did you have wine?
That's when I had it.
Oh, it was like a wine margarita?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, so I haven't had a chance to go to the scene. Where were you coming from prior to the accident?
I was coming up 38th Avenue North.
Okay.
Going home.
Okay.
So I was coming up 30th Avenue.
Yeah.
I passed 37th. He was coming from this way, so it had to be about 40th. And I was going down 38th. He darted in front of me, and I hit him.
Oh, okay. Point, I have probable cause to place you under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
So I gotta go to the station. I just can't just...
Yeah, we have to go to the station first, and then you'll be transported up to Pinellas County Justice Center. All right, we're gonna come inside for a few minutes. I'll grab your keys. There's an officer who's gonna come, okay? I saw you had a little canister as well. Is this? Oh, earrings? Okay. So I'm just gonna ask you real quick, okay? I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your blood for the purpose of determining the alcoholic content and the presence of chemical or controlled substances. Would you be willing to provide it?
No.
Okay.
What she say?
No.
Okay, then we take it.
Okay, we're taking it.
Unfortunately, because somebody is seriously injured in the crash or killed, we can take it in.
Oh, no, you can't.
You're being charged with DUI manslaughter. You have no choice per the law. You can let them do it, or we will hold you down and take it anyway.
You're not gonna do it.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
100% happening.
Okay.
So it's just a little baby needle. Okay? It's just going to go right in your arm right there.
Hey,
I'm
Scott,
going to twist this
can I
off,
take the one cuff off?
and then I'm going to cut this. I'm going to take the blood, and I'm going to do it in the other one too, okay? If you look away, it might make you feel a little better because you won't really notice it, alright?
Understandable.
I'll just have you stand up real quick. Have to place you back in the handcuffs already. Go ahead, put your the back of your hands together. It'll be most comfortable.
Later, officers arrested Ayesha. She was charged with DUI manslaughter, child neglect. One individual was confirmed not to have survived the incident. 2 months were taken for medical evaluation. The driver was taken into custody and is facing legal charges connected to the incident. Authorities continue to review the circumstances as the case moves forward. Outcomes will depend on court findings, applicable laws, and judicial decisions. Authorities emphasize that investigations of this nature can take time. In a statement, police confirmed Boyd was driving while impaired. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you believe current DUI laws are strong enough? Share your perspective in the comments and join the discussion. For more real-world cases explained clearly and responsibly, hit subscribe.